Good evening, everybody. My name is Rakesh Singh, and I am from India, and I am from BBC. Today, I am going to ask some question from my captain, Mr. Irfan, from
Captain Irfan Chaswala.
Captain Irfan Charswala.
Yes, okay.
So today, I am going to ask some questions for about
Quickly, we
the
have only 15 minutes, so quickly.
ISM codes and implementations.
Yeah, we have ISM code and ISM clauses. ISM clauses, the 16 clauses. ISM code, International Safety Management Code, for the safety of the ship and for prevention of pollution. The main purpose of ISM code is the safety of the ship, safety of the crew, safety of the people, safety of the environment. A741/18. There is something regarding behind the ISM. After the disaster of 1987, Herald of Free Enterprises, and after the disaster of 1994, Estonia. So they emphasize after the 1987, bow door, ram door open, mistake from the bosun and chief officer, it did not count. So after they started implementation, all the checklist. Okay, sir. So the resolution number is A741/18. So basically is for our safety of the ship, audit purpose, that we are following all the checklists, all the points, so nothing will be missed out. Okay, next question.
So now we have next question. BWMP and
No, because you should go in the first question. I don't have.
What is the STCW codes?
We discussed that before also regarding STCW code and BMPW also. I will tell you both questions. You ask me two questions simultaneously, no problem. BWMP is Ballast Water Management Plant. Every ship must have Ballast Water Management Plan. The purpose of this one is safety, load, ballast. Now we have lot of spaces. If we load from here, suppose we are in China, any places, so lot of spaces we will load, and we suppose we go to Pakistan, India, any places, and we discharge. So this create problem for the marine environment. Yes. So in the ocean, we always discharge and take new ballast from the ocean. There is some requirements. Okay. So ballast water. Now ballast water treatment plant also implemented from 2017. At the moment, we counted 7,000 dangerous zebra mussel, different type of species on the ballast water. So we have to take care. So you asked me this question. Okay, understand? Now regarding the STCW, STCW is a standard of training certification of watchkeeping. You always follow. They always told that they have previous 1978, 1995 and 2010 in STCW. 2010 in STCW is more stringent. In the previous books, I have already seen and written that STCW 1978, 1995, and all the previous practices will remain valid. Hello, Mr. BBC, please return. Yes. And please you tell to IMO, I am ready to speech any speech in IMO and United Nations, because STCW is more pungent and stringent. This course do again. I did basic firefighting, then advanced firefighting. Then they told me, okay, do basic firefighting with this photo. After that, we sign. Okay. What is this here? We have done one-time courses. If you want to implement this small thing in the merchant navy, you implement for everybody, for officer, captain, pilot, professor, doctor, and engineer. What is everything implement in the merchant navy? It's no good. No? I am telling, okay, just refresh your course for 1 day, 2 day, finish. What is this same course again and again? You want to do again and again? This is wrong. I am not satisfied. Is medical people, is other engineers are doing this thing? Why everything throw on the merchant navy people? This is no good. Okay, next question.
Okay, sir. I have another question for you. What is Antarctica and where?
Okay, sir. We already discussed that you are from India. I am also from Gujarat. No problem. So something. Look, Antarctica is on the near the South Pole. It's a continent, subcontinent. Bara-e-Azam, na? Asia, Africa, North America, South. This is Antarctica also. Okay, there is near the South Pole. Sometime in the cold. Now is winter. So in the winter, Antarctica, so sometime temperature goes to -85, -90. बड़ा ही खुश्क मौसम होता है, very dry, and now there is some special research people go and for the research purpose. Same as the North Pole, same as the South Pole. Yes. Understand? So Antarctica. Okay, next question.
What is ocean and seas on risks?
Ocean and seas at risk. Okay, just I tell you very thing that now 3 point, boiling point, melting point, and freezing point. The world ice is now going to melt and is dangerous for everybody. Now some areas like Pakistan, Karachi, Mumbai is down, and I'm asking, understand now? Yeah. So what will happen? This ice is going to melt. So ocean and seas going to rise, understand? Rise. So what will happen? After few years you will see, so water can come to the roads and this one. So this is a very dangerous. We are making the plan. Ocean and seas at risk means these ice is now going to melt. ये पिघल रही है. ये पिघलने से क्या हो रहा है? समंदर, level of the seabed is going to rise. The areas near down areas is very dangerous. Anytime any incidents can happen. Understand?
Yes.
Next question. Okay.
MLC people can 16 to 18 years people's work.
देखिए सब last year ship I have already seen. Okay, what they flag already give some, you know, some different type of flags now. Lot of flags, flag of convenience. Sometimes they give convenience. Okay, 18 years people can work. But listen me. First, we must know that flag gave permission or not. If flag
Yes.
did not give permission, nobody can work. That's it. Story finished. But if flag give permission, we must take care. We must put with seniors, bosun, senior Rabi, and must be near the accommodation. No, we can give any work alone. They can maybe slave, fall down. Understand? No?
Yes.
And also night time we not allow to these people of work. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Now we have next question. BWTP is implementing on new ships.
Yes, it's correct. Because Belas water treatment plant, I already seen that some vessels in 2012, 2013, I already seen SIFA. This is also some vessels. But I tell you, some vessel I work for this ITM, Omani ships. But 2017, 2018, that's polar code came, and this is the 2017-18 also Belas water treatment plan already implemented. Okay. Next.
Okay, sir.
September 2017.
Sir, I would like to ask about the SART and EPIRB.
SART, yeah. SART is, you know, certain rescue radar transponder, and EPIRB is emergency position indicating radio beacons. We have different frequencies, you know, 121.5 to 43. There is some sensor in my hair, so they reply, tak, 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 no problem. You know, for sometimes father, no problem, don't take tension. 121.5 to 43 and 406. 406 is a cost per sunset EPIRB. The problem is people thinking direct, no direct, everything is indirect. You understand? No? All signals going to satellite. After satellite, signal going to the ship, any other place, serial number and different things and call sign, everything. Okay, now the SART is 3 centimeter X-band radar. They detect the line of bearing coming. If somebody in disturbed, they put the SART, the line of bearing incoming. But if the SART very close, the concentric coming. So you will see on the 3 centimeter X-band radar. Why coming on big radar 9 centimeter? The reason is the 3 centimeter X-band radar, the frequency is double or triple, 9 gigahertz frequency, and the other radar frequency is less, 9 centimeter radar, but the frequency is less, 3. That's why you always catch this thing in the X-band radar. Okay, next.
So now I am going to ask a very interesting question. After COVID-19, what happened?
Yeah, after COVID-19, I see, okay, this is a pandemic. From 2020 or now 2020, you know, this is not a first pandemic. Lot of pandemics. If you go on the internet and Wikipedia, you will see lot of type of COVID and pandemics. Na?
Yes.
This, after I see in last year, when the world was locked down, people were working from the home, new medicines coming, understand? Na? So people becoming low, more attractive, same like before, 20 years before, 30 years before, when there was no WhatsApp, no Facebook. So I have seen in after this COVID, okay, we understand lot of that happen, but people becoming close, new infrastructure will coming, new medicines will coming, lot of online shopping, different types of things I have seen after the COVID, and we hope that in 2021 this COVID will be reduced. You will see. Okay, next.
Next question is comfort zone to courage zone and risk zone is shipping.
Yeah. Everything. Now I tell you just one thing. Now you see one example. From now 2003, 2003 I am captain, and now 2021. Believe me, is for me now very easy. From here, this seat I can maneuver anything. I can maneuver the vessel alone. I can discharge CCR, everything, because I have practice now for the ship. Now, if I go for the pilot job, any superintendent job, okay, I go awake morning 8 o'clock, then start in the office and this one. At the present, although this is the hardest job, captain, too much responsibility, but I am in comfort zone. Because I am doing same thing from last 2003. Now you understand easily. But if I go any new job, although easy job, but for me is difficult. Suppose double salary. Understand? No? Now this is my comfort zone. Because this job I am doing from 2003. Although pilot job, less responsibility. Other job, office job, less responsibility. But for me, this job will be easy because I am doing same thing again and again since 20. Understand? No? So now you understand what is comfort zone, what is other zone. If I want to become marine superintendent, I have to change my zone to little strict zone. Understand?
Yes.
Next question.
Sir, now we are working on the ship, so I am going to ask about the shipping ambitions hobbies and goals.
देखिए, what can I tell you regarding the hobbies? We must have good ambitions all the time for our future. For the good ambitions, you must know that when my father was died, he was principal examiner, master in maths. But for the future, you must know one thing. I know one thing that I don't know anything. You follow this route. I know one thing that I don't know anything. So you will become good. Understand? Now the second thing, hobby. What is hobby? Hobby is a good pastime. Like Facebook, WhatsApp. Hobby is a good pastime. It is not a regular job. It is just an activity which helps passing your spare hour in an interesting way. Now goals. Goals, suppose your goals that you will read every day 20 papers, 20 reads, and tomorrow you know read. No. If you want some good person, good future, your goals must be very strict every day. Suppose you finish birthing, no, 9 o'clock you come and read 20 pages because your goals must be strict. Okay, understand? No?
Yes.
Goals is very important.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
next.
very- Next question is leadership management skill on board seats.
Okay, there is 3 things, 4 things I tell you. Management everybody can do. Management is a science. Okay, leadership is art. Leadership is not a science.
Yes, leadership is
is art. I study of a great leader showed that in their leadership, varieties of ethos, varieties of personalities in their life. So there we can tell that leadership is an art, not a science, and management is a science. Management may lot of things that in the management and administration, that appraisal, planning, execution, monitoring, controlling, planning, coordinating, cooperating, so innovating, staffing, supervising, lot of things in the management. But leadership, we have lot of procedures. This is a God-gifted ability. Okay, next
Yes.
question.
Next question is ITOPF
Yeah,
and
international-
various companies.
Okay, in ITOPF is Topia, Stopia, Copia, small tanker owners, large tanker owners, international tankers owners, prevention, this federation, more than 100 countries. If any disaster happen, so they can help. Okay, no, they
Yes.
have lot of funds. ITOPF, but we can go for the member. No, we cannot go to member. The members must have a good shipping companies, good shipping managers, owners. They can go for the. How many minutes movie you have completed already? 20 minutes finished? No.
No.
No. Okay. When 15 minutes, tell me, then I will go.
Next
Okay.
question is insurance. How many types?
Yeah, insurance, we have lot of time, the marine insurance, implied warranty, different. But normally we have, this P&I club. I tell you.
It is
but
necessary for us.
Yes, it's very important. Protection and also this classification. If you don't have any classification, so nobody will insure your vessel. Okay, understand?
Yes,
Nobody will insure your vessel. So marine insurance, this 1x4, 3x4, hull and machinery insurance. Okay, and then your protection and indemnity insurance. Okay, we have lot of P&I clubs, more than 20. Okay, now the main thing, the big company, the big VLCC, ULCC company, they have FDD also,
Yes.
freight, demurrage, and defense club also.
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Next question is
How many questions you already done?
14 questions.
No.
already I
My
finished.
other CNN people also 14
Okay,
questions.
so,
He is coming from you also from the BBC, no?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Majidi from
Yeah,
CNN.
yes,
From where? You Rastanura? You come from where?
Rastanura.
Rastanura, yes.
Rastanura. Okay, come. You
So,
can. Yeah,
guys,
you can come.
now
You can come here.
my
You can come
colleague
here.
will be asked some questions
Okay,
from my
quickly come.
captains.
Captain
So-
Irfan Chaswala. Quickly, you can continue from here. No problem. Quickly. Hello, sir. Hello, how are you? So,
Hello, sir.
Yes, so you are a captain against the Association of Cold Bed of Years and Many for what is in the past. Well, can I reply in English, Urdu, Hindi, a lot of language I can speak. Helping to perceive about sympathetic consideration and tactical anticipations, because you people from CNN and BBC English is a little easy, but you people are talking very fast. I can reply very fast to English, no problem?
No problem.
Okay, you can ask. Hello, sir, please, focus me, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Quickly.
Explain about SVSO PSSR.
Oh, I understand. You want to explain slowly how the credit officer really wants. That SVSO is the seaboard safety officer and PSSR is person safety officer especially. The paying purpose is everybody thinking chief officer, second officer, sponsor, captain. But no, everybody, now I'm talking in BBC, so everybody understand.
Yes.
So everybody own responsible of their safety. Okay, please, first you take care. After, okay, we are responsible, but you are also take care. Okay, now maybe you work, you don't take any safety. PSSR mean you did your job and you are the first person who will take care of your life. Okay, now
Yes.
you are also take care, but you also take care. Okay, next question.
Next question, sir.
My friend, please, this is a online movie. Hello, President. Hello. Okay.
Captain, explain about IO, EO, SO, and AO.
Why means? Again, tell me, IO.
IO, EO, SO, and
You want to this IQ is intellectual quotient, and then you told me that EQ, emotional quotient,
Yes,
and
yes,
then
emotion.
social quotient, and then you told me different, na? So intellectual means if somebody calculate, or somebody talking very fast, I told you, na?
Yes.
Anything, you maro jhadki, pace karo ladki, uba wo jamaro katto ko bula lo, anything taking very fast, maths calculation, fastest, anything he can talk fast, lamba, somma, chadila, chalchin, tango, polka, iglu. So anything if somebody have intellectual ability is called IQ. The social, the second one you told me emotional. Emotional means somebody shout you, okay, and after you keep quiet, take care, give some time. Emotions control. Emotion control means EQ. Understand? Emotion
EQ.
control means EQ. So this is also a very good ability. IQ, EQ, SQ. SQ means you have ability with social peoples, social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Adrak, Lassan, WhatsApp, Chanding, Pending. Understand? Na?
Yes.
This is different. So this is called your SQ. And last thing is AQ. AQ is also important. Somebody died. Your father died, mother died. After you enhance your personality is AQ. Understand? Na? Okay, next question.
Next question, sir. About the mean, how may average now?
Okay, you asked me regarding the Marpol. Okay, no, it's not me how. Don't talk me Chinese, because Chinese also I can talk. Now you tell me Kilkil Marpol, na? Why me how chong chong chong
Yeah.
chong chong chong? No, don't tell me. Annexes, we have lot of annexes. Annex 1 oil, Annex 2 noxious liquids, substance in bulk. Number 3 noxious liquids, substance in packet form. Number 4 sewage. Number 5 garbage. Number 6 air pollution. Number 7 ballast water, organism possible coming soon. Then anti-fouling paints, noise from the vessels. We must know all the ballast, all the Marpol rules and regulations. How many minutes completed? How many minutes completed?
It's almost 17 minutes.
Okay, no problem. We will 20 minutes. We will make it, please. Okay, next question.
Dealing with conflicts.
Okay, the dealing with conflicts and team building is very important on both ships. Okay, now suppose we have different types of nationalities. As a captain, as a senior, our job must be solving party. Down people always creating party. Just I tell you. So our target must be solved. Any problem, my duty is solve the problem. Okay, understand now? If you think, positive thinking is very important. What I told you, positive. There is two thinking, negative thinking and positive thinking. Thinking is smart. Understand now? So thinking is smart must be very important. You think that you have to do, you will do anything. Last time no coming, I told okay, I will put distress button. Understand? Anything possible. My target is anything possible in the world if you believe. Law of attraction. Okay now? And team building, you have must be good team. You must be good team. You take respect of your team. Okay now? If 20 captain on the ship cannot run. Just I tell you. So everybody own respect. Everybody has own duties. Different ranks run the vessel. One person same rank cannot run the vessel. Okay, understand. Next question.
Next question, Captain, explain about gas detectors.
Gas detectors. I told you like before, and I think that we have multi gas detectors. We have tank scope. We have gas scope. We have also oxygen analyzer. Understand? No? Different type of multi gas detector. So also we must know that explosimeter. How we check? We can check by methane gas. Suppose nitrogen. Okay, oxygen meter. How we check? Before this one we need nitrogen gas. Understand? No? For other equipment, sometimes we need butane, sometimes we need isobutane. Then you understand now we have this small gas detectors, personal gas detector, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen. Understand? No? Everything gas we can detect in the pump rooms and in different areas. We can go check oxygen deficiencies. Okay, understand? No? Okay, next question. How many minutes you can make the movie? 20 minutes or 22 minutes?
19 minutes.
90 minutes. So just tell me anything. Insurance already, seaboard safety officer already replied. Inspirational lady of my life is, just I tell you, the name of Madame Curie. She took 2 different Nobel Prizes. One is on the chemistry and one is in the physics. Very interesting lady and very hard-working lady I did not see in my life. Okay, so 2 minutes more you can make the movies. Just how many minutes you already completed? Check.
19 minutes.
Check how many minutes can you check the movie, then you can make the movies.
19 minutes.
Okay. Ask me anything. What you want? Any questions?
Any question?
Yes, sir. I have some question about you.
Quickly.
Just tell me about yourself.
What you want to do? So a lot of things I have learned in my life, but just I tell you everything from the God gifted. Just shortcut I tell you, I am God gifted artist, gulukar, kalakar, musikar, fankar, shahkar, hidayatkar. So everything is from the God gifted. I did not do anything. Everything is come from the heaven. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Bye.
Captain.
Sir. Okay.